to the last couple days?
No.
What have you been up to the last couple days, and what do you got in store
Tell them our itinerary.
this
Okay,
weekend?
well,
We woke up
it's-
at 5 a.m., saved the day till like about 12. Take it from there. Hey, hopped on the
He
news
told
show.
me to go through the schedule, and now it's just going.
Sorry.
Yes, no, we've been all over the place since we've gotten into Florida. We've gone to Epic Comics. We're at the Acme Superstore right now. We've gone to Heroes Landing. We were on the Daily Buzz this morning. That's what he was talking about 5 a.m., which was really fun. It was a great interview.
Shout out Daily Buzz. We love you.
What's up, guys? And we have the Ranger stop this weekend, which there's us and Steven, who plays our Gold Ranger, is going to be there.
Okay, cool.
And we have a whole lot of other Rangers as well. Plus Jason Narvi is going to be there.
And it's Rangers from throughout the series.
Yeah.
The different
Yes,
series.
absolutely.
Because right now there's been what? Am I right in 17 different?
20.
20?
They're on their
20
20th year
different-
anniversary now with Megaforce. Yeah.
Wow.
So we were season 18 and 19, and now the young bucks have come up and taken our spotlight.
And there's been a lot of Power Rangers so far.
Yeah.
But you guys, how do you stack yourself up in the range of Power Rangers? Are you
Ooh.
cooler than Tommy?
Ooh.
Are you at Tommy level?
I
touch it out.
I don't want to burn any bridges.
Tommy's
but,
the top, right? He is the top, right?
Is that how we do rankings? Like,
Is that ranking top?
there's Tommy,
Tommy.
and then you guys, maybe? Or how
Tommy.
does that work?
Well, I'm not sure anyone can really argue with Jason David Frank. He's pretty much the most awesome Power Rangers ever.
He's kind of Tommy.
He's called
Yeah,
Tommy. I like that voice. But yeah, I'd like to think that we're up there. I'd like to think that we kind of have the same popularity that Mighty Morphin did back in the day.
Dude, first episode, you totally make a horse. I'm just saying.
I do.
And you totally
I
ride around on
make
a
a
horse.
horse.
You kidding
I
me?
make it.
Simple power horse.
Yeah, similar power.
Way to surprise Todd, the new viewer. Make a horse. Super Samurai horse! I'm like, horse?
Funny story, actually. That horse, his name is Georgie. He's a great
Please
horse.
don't tell us.
You don't know what I'm about to say. He was on the movie The Last Samurai.
Oh, that is cool.
Yes. I'm forgetting the actor's name. It's not Tom Cruise. It's the guy that is the leader of the little tribe that he goes to. It's his horse, that white horse.
Oh,
That's Georgie.
cool.
And that was the horse that I created with my
Nice.
simple power.
Man, you just have like a
Ha,
awesome
hoo, ha,
horse.
hoo, hoo,
That's
hoo.
like an awesome
Horse.
shout-out. I know.
Love you, Georgie!
I'm not
Big-
gonna say
big
it,
shout
but
out to
I know
Georgie.
The horse that was in Last Samurai. I'm just saying.